Serbian Army unveiled its new acquisition of Russian T-72B1MS White Eagle main battle tanks. The T-72B1MS, dubbed White Eagle, is an upgraded version of the T-72B tank manufactured by Russia. The tank features new armor and is equipped with new optics and combat equipment. Currently, only this version in the T-72 tank family is fitted with a remotely operated weapon station mounted on the top of the turret. Driver is at the front of the hull, turret in the middle with commander and gunner and power pack at the rear. It is also upgraded with a front and rear camera for the driver, digital display, GPS, GLONASS navigation system, third-generation thermal panoramic sight, eagle's eye for tank commander mounted at the rear left side of the turret.